Alright guys, so we have 4 new pickup trucks and we have a limited resale. Oh, it's right there. We have the 2023 Ford Raptor. I don't know my trucks. So Nissan Titan Warrior concept, Chevy Silverado, Nissan Frontier. Alright, so here is a resale. I'm not buying that, it's too expensive. Here's the resale, and Silverado is a part of the builder truck event. It's kind of weird seeing trucks. These things are taller than my character. Let's buy these cars. Buy all the trucks. These things are extremely big. I mean, they're massive. Sounds like a muscle car. The startup, it sounded like a muscle car, and you might be thinking like, oh my god, this is a muscle car. But when you drive it, it sounds like a regular truck. Is this the Warrior concept? Yes. Nissan. We have the Nissan Frontier, which was in the sneak peeks. Is this a electric? Sounds harder. Sounds decent. Decent car. And what other brands? Yeah, the Ford Raptor. Wait, what? Decent. Why do the games change so fast? Anyway, we have one more car, which is a Chevy Silverado, and I'm gonna make a separate video on like how to find these things. This is good, right? And yeah, I'm gonna make a separate video on it. Like, I don't want to make this video too long. And yeah, what do you guys think about this new event? Let me know. And yeah.